What the hell?
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a...
Hello guys, welcome back again to another review video. So today we are gonna review another pullback cars from My Stock Crashers Angry Bird series. Latest video I have unboxing and review the T-Range tank. So today we are gonna review the Chuk rocket kart. Same as before, it's from Angry Bird series with the pullback car system. So I have two pullback cars. This is the second, and the character name is Chuk. Chuk is the one of the fastest bird on Angry Bird series. Okay, without any further ado, let's unboxing these cars. Oh my god, look at that. So this is the Chuk rocket cars. The cars were simple. There has 4 wheels, small wheel in front and big wheel on the back, and there is a number 1 on the front of body. There's some detail like this car made of metal, and then the sticker is the yellow lightning, and in the back there's a rocket booster, very cool, with 5 booster. So this car, it means very fast. The build quality was very good. Look at the Chuk. I think it's very like the Chuk on the movie. The body is like a banana. Look at the hair. Look at the eyes. Very funny. Alright, let's test first. Full bag. Alright, and it's lighter than the T-Range tank. Okay, let's test the Chuk rocket kart into drive. Okay, let's test the Chuk rocket kart. Alright. What the heck? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. The Chuk is very fast than the T-Range. Even this car can do a break dance. What the hell? It can even move while standing. Whoa, look at that. Guys, that's all my review today about Chuk rocket cars. This toys is very fun to play with your kids or your friends. It's very cool and I recommend it to collect this too. So please write comment below if you want me to buy another version of this pullback car. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next video. Goodbye.